Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing this HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. Now the model number of this laptop is 15-DK2075TX, and let me tell you about some of the specs. But first, let's just take everything out of the box and show you exactly what you get inside this case when you buy the gaming laptop. So this is everything that you get in the box when you buy this HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. As you can see, there's the laptop itself. You have some setup instructions. You have a power brick. This is, this is a 150 watt power brick, and you get a power cable. Now let me tell you a little bit about the specs of this laptop. So this laptop is powered by an Intel Core i7-11370H processor, and that processor is paired with an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card. So it's a pretty good combination of processor and graphics card, and it should handle most games. The laptop also has 16 GB of DDR4 RAM inbuilt, and it comes with a 512 GB SSD. The display is a 15.6 inch Full HD display with 144 Hz of refresh rate, and it has a brightness of 250 nits. Let's come to the design of the laptop. So as you can see, there's a little bit of a purple accent around this HP logo. It weighs a little over 2 kilos. This is around 2.2 kilos. The laptop is what it weighs. As you can see, it's at the, let me just open it up. There you go. When you open it up, so it includes Microsoft Office Home Edition. There's a sign over here that tells you about the refresh rate. It has Bang & Olufsen speakers right over here, and again the purple accent sort of continues on the keyboard. So it's got the keys have this purple accent. What else can I tell you about the laptop? Well, let's talk about the cooling. So as you can see, the cooling at the base, you have your fans, and there's a large air vent right at the base with the two fans right here to let the air out. And on the back, on the rear, you also have two other vents right here at the back, again to let air, again for your air circulation. Now let's come to the ports on the laptop. So on the left side of the laptop, let me see, you've got an HDMI port, you have a USB port, there's a Ethernet port right there. You have a Type-C port, so this will offer faster transfer rates, so that's pretty neat. You also have an SD card reader. So that's on the left side. And on the other side, so you have your power port, you have two USB ports, you've got a 3.5mm audio jack for your headphones. So pretty neat, pretty compact, pretty good gaming machine. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop. The model number is 15-DK2075TX. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.